Hello, this is Spynet Pictures, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane that flies far.
Oh man, it's full up. Full up. Right?
So, first, you fold a piece of paper in half. Pretty simple, that's how most paper airplanes start out. Then you take it out, fold this part down in a corner, kind of like that. Do the same with the other side. Fold it back up again just to make sure. Fold it downwards so that the line right here, you see the cursor here, is going down with that. Now here's the tricky part. You're going to fold it so that it's not on the line, but it's curved inside the line. See how I did that? Right here. And then do the same with the other side to make sure the space in between each side of the line is even. That way the paper airplane will fly farther without mishaps. Trust me, I know this. Then you fold it along the crease in half like you usually do. Then you fold it down. You fold down again on the other side. Now, as you see, there is a little fin up there. Keep that up there. Don't fold it. Don't do anything to it. Just leave it there. And there, you've got your long-range flying paper airplane.